The emblem of suffering and shame. The reason at the end, in was the emblem of suffering and shame was, I will cling to the old rugged cross, and exchange it someday for a crown. Instead of running away from the cross, we now cling to the cross. Instead of the cross, the cross now symbolizes that is what we are celebrating today, the exaltation of the cross. Yeah, but we can just refer the book of Numbers. No, clinging to the cross. The cross is our salvation. The cross is our hope. The cross is